Today is Sunday, and Sunday in this series is dedicated to our reset. So today's topic is your weekly reset ritual, your 3-minute reset for a better week ahead. Now, I want you to think about how you can prepare for the week. Let's make Sunday our soft launch into the week. And this is less important for me now since I'm not working and I'm retired, but it was very important when I was working. So we want to make it a soft launch, not a sprint, and what we're trying to do is remove the stress before it even starts. So here's 3 simple steps. Number 1, plan 3 simple dinners. No fancy recipes, just protein, veg, and fat. Number 2, plan 1 go-to protein snack ahead of time. Okay, so you have something to grab if you need it. Number 3, check your electrolytes. Make sure you're stocked up on them, water, and don't forget about magnesium. Meal prep doesn't have to be Instagram worthy. It really just needs to keep you out of the drive-through line, right? So that you're prepared and you're not, just reacting, you're hungry and you're looking for something quick. So here's today's nugget. The body you want is built out of the food you prepare, not the food you hope to eat. Think about that. Okay, we have to be intentional about it. So let's go into this week with purpose and not panic. I know you can do this. I know you got this. I'll see you in the next video.